Button's right here. Ooh.
Okay. I mean, still down.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
That was cool. Never been inside a Cybertruck before, y'all. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, boom.
You don't know how we push it?
Push it. There you go.
Shut your mouth.
There you go. In Hayward at the 510 Fest, because today is May 10th. Got some Cybertrucks over here. Get inside. Never been inside a Cybertruck before, y'all. Here we go. I'm about to sit in this thing. Ooh, they got the AC on. They got the AC on and the doors open. It's nice in here. Kind of small. Kinda small, not gonna lie. It's a lot, yeah. It's tiny in here. This big ass truck should be way bigger. Look at the leg room, not too much leg room. That's not a lot of leg room. I'm not the tallest dude on the planet either. Yeah, look, they got the air conditioner right here. Turn it off now, turn that back on. And you can choose where you, wow, you can choose where you want the air to go. Oh, wow. That's dope. Technology. Here, hit me in the face. That's what she said. Little front trunks, little frunks. How do you, okay. How do you open this thing? I think it's right here. Okay, okay. Let me see, you got some, there's no glove compartment? Oh shit, maybe you gotta unlock it from one of these things over here. Ride height, I can adjust the ride height? Uh-oh. Close the door, can I close the door? Let me see, front door. Can I close it? I can't close it, okay. You should be able to close the door. Seats, lights. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Hello.
I never seen the inside of one of these.
Me either. Go ahead and hop in the back.
How you open it?
The door, right here.
The back. Wait a minute. Yeah, hold on. I don't know how to do that.
Oh, boom.
You don't know how we push it?
Push it. There you go.
Shut your mouth.
There you go.
You're like, I ain't never seen one. Oh, it's not as big.
Now, see, that's literally the first thing I said. I said, this thing is tight. It's small in here.
I thought it was big.
Yeah,
I thought it was going to change her mind because she hates them.
Nah, they're tiny. Look at it. No room back there.
This is dumb as hell.
Yeah, I know, right?
And it's just big for no reason.
It's big for no reason. There's no space in here.
Don't feel ugly. I already upset my day.
You done made your mind up now.
Well, you was gonna get one?
No.
No, she always hated them. She
Okay.
thinks they're so stupid. I was like, but maybe getting in one to change
Your mind? Nah, nope.
She said absolutely.
No. Just ruined it.
Little steering wheel. Yeah, it's just all this space up here too. Look how far in front that is. Like, that's unnecessary space.
Because then that's the trunk in the front.
Yeah.
Why it looks so small?
Yeah. Let's see if we can open that.
Oh, the back thing supposed to like.
Yeah. Let's see. We can lift it. We can open it. Let's go. Ooh. There we go. There we go. Alright. Let's see. How do we... I want to open this up. Oh, here we go. Button's right here. Ooh.
Hey.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
That was
That's
cool.
but it didn't-
Got all the outlets over here. You can do some work back here. Let's see, what else? Oh, that's heavy.
It's a whole, it's a hunk of metal. With seats.
Let's see. Oh, it goes down by itself. That's cool. Alright.
Is there compartments in this?
Let's see.
Or no?
Yeah, here we go.
Look at that.
That's the connector.
Sure.
You lift that. Yeah.
Well, still down. Never was.
And there's your Cybertruck tour for y'all. It's the first time I've ever been in one too, so we did a little tour together. All right, so Cybertruck. What y'all think about it? $110,000, I believe, for the base model. This wrap, I'm not sure how much the wraps cost, but I think Tesla does the wrapping themselves. Look, wrap your Tesla today. Let me ask these young.
I think it's pretty cool. Like if I had the money,
If you had the money,
I'd buy it. It's really cool.
you know how much it costs?
50K. Yeah, 50K.
Are you tripping?
100K? 150K.
110 for
Oh,
the
wow.
for the base model, I believe.
110 for that.
For the base
150K
model.
average.
Yeah, exactly. And this is the foundation series too, so this is one of the first ones. So this is going to cost even more.
Yeah.
So you would buy one if you had the money?
Had 100K.
If you had 100K, would you get something else?
I'll probably get something.
Yeah, right?
I want to buy it.
Yeah, right. It's and it's electric, so you can't really drive it across the country if you want to.
Hey, Daniel, any final words? Huh? Any final last words?
Would you buy it? Yes or no?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, for 100K?
I don't care if it. If I had the money, I'd buy it.
You have the money, you'd buy it. Okay. If you had the money, you'd buy it.
Yeah, bro.
Yes, yes. If you had the money, you'd buy it.
Yeah, of course. Got that.
And he said, nah. You
I mean, maybe not
got
this
the
color,
merch. Okay, I see you.
Those are
That's
how they have.
Yeah.
The caps are just to increase the range.
Aerodynamics.
Yeah,
Yeah,
aerodynamics,
yeah.
range.
It's leaking.
Oh, that's the AC. So that's when condensation happens. So like when you
Okay.
have AC happening,
Oh, okay, I
sometimes it's
see.
very cool. When you have like a very, very cold surface and then hot air hits it, it condenses and then leaks. It's with any car, yeah.
No, you're good. You're good. You're good. I think they look cool. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like the way the Cybertrucks look. Like, there's no other car on the planet that looks like this. But there's the space. It has about as much space as a Honda Civic on the inside. Like, come on, man, that's crazy. This shit is big as a bus. Tesla guys over here. Win a free Tesla? Let me see. Here's the new Tesla, guys. The new Model Y. You can tell the difference. You know, there's a light bar in the front. Front's different. The back's different. It's a nice car too. Nice young lady. What? Wait. I don't like these Tesla doors.
There's a reason why Tesla's popular.
You got black and gold everything in this. Look at that. You got the rear view mirrors even gold. There's no side view mirror on this side. I just noticed that. But there is one on this side. It's one of the cleanest colors I've ever seen in my entire life. Dope. Excuse me. Oh, nice. Green and cream. Dope. Got 68 Impala out here. This young lady owns it right here. This your car? Nice. SS. Ooh, this one's Cadillac is clean. Nice interior. This is a, I'm not sure what year this is, but it's clean. Which one y'all like better, the red SS or the Caddy? Got Impala, Cadillac, Impala. Okay, yeah. That's what's up. Nice. Thank you, brother. Huh.